Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Subject7, which is a licensed software used for testing automation flows. So even if you are not good at coding, then you can use this software seamlessly in order to test your automation flows. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use it to test a simple web application, although it can be used for testing other automation flows related to web, database, API, or even desktop applications. So now let's start the video. So as you can see, I've opened this software in a brand new browser window. So you can install it and follow the other steps. But for now, I'm going to just show you the demo of testing this doggy directory web application. So first of all, you have to click on the flows and create one suitable flow for you where you will get all the folders and navigate into each folder wherever you like. And then you have to create a new folder. As you can see, I am creating a sample folder for testing this web application of ours. So now after creating the sample folder, you have to go to the sample folder. Now I'm going to the sample folder, and as you can see, we don't have any test suits here. So I'm going to create one, click on add and then test suit. And then I'm going to enter the name of the test suite which I wanted to appear on the list of the test suites which we have inside this sample folder. So I'm going to name it as doggy underscore test underscore suit. So this is going to be the name of the test suite which we're going to use for the sake of this demo video. So doggy underscore test underscore suit. So now I'm going to open this test suite, and inside of which we can create the test cases. So now for creating it, you have to click on add and automate it. This will create one automated test case in which you have to mention the steps. So first of all, you have to go to the informations tab and set the name of the test case which you're gonna like. So as you can see, I've set the name of the test case, and then I'm going to go to the steps tab and click on the input, and I will go copy the URL and paste it here. Okay, so after doing the step 1, we're going to save it, and after saving it we're going to run it to see if it is actually going to the web URL of the web application or not. So for that you have to click on run now, and as you can see, it's processing and it's going to open one other window where it will show you that it's getting navigated to the web application URL. So after that, for the second step, you have to do some clicking. So for that, basically this is a doggy directory in which you can select a breed, and then whenever you click on search, it will show you the picture related to that breed of dog. So click on this and let me select a breed. Let me select this breed beagle. So after clicking or doing any kind of action, it shows a hint window where you have to give a hint so that Subject7 can understand which button or which input field or whatever kind of web element you are interacting with, and then you have to click on search. So again the hint window pops up, as you can see. So you have to write search and click on confirm. So this is one flow which Subject7 has created for it in the test case. So as you can see, it shows us the breed of dogs as mentioned by us, which is beagle in our case. Now let me select another breed which is boxer, and again we have to give the hint to Subject7. So let me type boxer and click on confirm, and then again click on search. So as you can see, it has loaded all the dogs with the breed boxer. So it shows us all these images of the specific kind of dogs which we want to see. And now let's select another breed. Let me select husky, and again we are going to do the same thing after giving it the hint, and then we have to click on the search button. You have to fill the target label box and click on confirm. So again, it has loaded all the dog breeds as we have selected in the input field. So these are all the images of that particular breed of dog called Husky. So if I refresh it, it will redirect me to the same home web page of the web application. So as you can see, it has automated and listed down all the flows as we have started recording, and then after stopping the recording, as you can see, we have to save it so that it gets saved in this test case. So I have stopped the recording, and then you have to click on not saved so that it gets saved. So as you can see, the test case has been saved successfully. Now if I run the whole test case, let me see what it's showing us. So it has opened the web page, and again it has selected beagle and then search, boxer, then search, and husky, then search. So as you can see, it happens very fast, but you can always go for a slow option by exploring the other options. I haven't shown that for the sake of this video because it's getting too long. So basically the purpose behind making this video was to show you the kind of automation the software called Subject7 provides you. It's a licensed software, so you cannot get it for free. So if you want to use it for any of your web applications or desktop applications or for testing URLs or APIs, you can use this software. So I'm currently exploring the software. I'm still in the process of using it. So as you can see, I'm showing the other options which you have on the software, like repository, executions, reports. You have many other things which you can do with this software. You can also go to the help page and explore anything which you might be requiring while using this software. It also has many other kind of things which you wanna try to explore yourself. So it also has XPath cheat sheet, and you can get information, all kinds of information about this kind of stuff. And again, in the help menu, you can go to the knowledge base to learn more about this software and ask any questions to the Subject7 community. So it has many other options, as you can see. So this is a good software. As per as my recommendation, you can use it to automate the test flows of any kind of software you might be using. So thanks guys, thank you for watching this video this far. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for getting more such related content. So this is the green dot which shows that you are actually connected to Subject7. So this is the user's guide. So thank you. I will meet you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay aware, and keep exploring.
Lit. Roll up to